One thing we at least can all agree on is that 2025 so far has been, again, insane with a lot of freaking good releases. And yeah, by the looks of it, it will not slow down anytime soon. But here we are today, again, once more. I'm excited to share that Pagan black folk metal legends Vintersorg are back after 8 years, and that means quite a lot. So for those who don't know Vintersorg is the band of Andreas Hedlund, a Swedish folk pagan metal band. They did some really crazy shit in the beginning and some progressive experimental things as well, which I personally enjoyed a lot. And the last record, Tilfjells Part 2, obviously the legendary album Tilfjells came out way earlier. But yeah, again, the second part is 8 years old, and they announced a new record, and they have a new song out called Malströmsbrus. I'm not Swedish, so maybe you can translate that for me in the comments of the record. Wait, I need my glasses for that because it's way too complex. So, Vattenkrafternas spel. I hope I didn't butcher that. But Vintersorg stands for, to me at least, progressive, folky elements with an amazing mix of vocals. And I think that really stands out for Vintersorg is his way of portraying the harshest of vocals, similarly delivered as the time he was in Borknagar. For those who know Borknagar, obviously this will not be estranged. This will be right up their alley. And yeah, we are checking out Malströmsbrus. I just saw on the social medias that they were they released the song, so I was really like, okay, I'm not going to do this now. I don't have time for this. I need to sit down. I need to concentrate. I need to dive back into my favorite eras and just get, the usual emotional nonsense that I do. So without further ado, we will check out Malströmsbrus from Vintersorg. Here we go. Classic. All sung in Swedish, obviously. Well, early days there was some English as well. So. So much going on in the background. It's very vocal heavy, if you know what I mean. Okay, that's Vintersorg. They always did it like this, and it fits.
Som myrar genom alltings tid.
very epic and ritualistic kind of. Well, vocally he delivers quite a lot, is there? Really reminds me a lot of Your Pulse. Maybe like one of my favorite records of them. A lot of similarities. Okay. Where are we going with this? Kind of ominous, so. Okay. So much going on. Oh, okay, we're getting blast beats as well. Well. Such a cool riff. I feel like we're getting a fade out. Could be wrong. No, we are not ending. Well. Okay. Mr. V is angry, I guess. It pleases me a lot to see that this is going a bit back to the earlier days. As said, I love Hjortpuls. I love those Swedish records, obviously. Even though I don't understand most of it, but I think by now I can definitely scream Malströmsbrus, because that was quite present and seems to be like a fitting song, like a sing-along song on concerts as well. Again, I think this is really maybe the underrated, the underdog of 2025 for several out there, because these fellas are still so freaking underrated. I don't get it. I've been following them forever, since since which record was, I think Visions from the Spiral Generator, the Focusing Blur. These were insanely experimental and weird, so to speak. But I love them very dearly, and later on we went to Naturbal, Orkan, yeah, Yard Pulse, obviously. This, to me personally, seems way more interesting and gives me like a lot of joy. But obviously I have to go through this several more times because a lot to depict. There's quite, again, very vocally heavy, a lot of stuff going on in the background, a lot of synthesizer elements here and there. So yeah, an in-depth listen would help, without this obviously. So but then anyway, without further ado, I put everything in the link below, the song, the band, what we do, and yeah, I'll try to catch on with as many things as I can, because kind of a bit of free nowadays. So hopefully that will not change, and we'll see each other very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe, the usual. Until then.